Like it or not, AI has arrived and it's here to stay. Smart YouTubers are leveraging AI to create mind-blowing faceless channels every single day. Top creators like the Zinny Studio, Digital Income Project, and 10x Income are crushing it with thousands of subscribers and views. And the best part? They're raking in thousands of dollars every month on YouTube. So why not you? Creating those slick talking animation characters can be daunting. But don't worry, we're about to make it easy peasy. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating your own aesthetically pleasing talking avatar entirely for free. Watch the entire video as all the steps are tied together, and I'm sharing top secrets in the middle and at the end. We'll focus on free methods like BingAI, also known as Copilot, Canva, Photopea, 11 Labs, SadTalker, and YouTube. Don't skip any part or you'll miss crucial steps. If you're new here, welcome. This is a three-man show, myself, Anne, and Rob. We've got in-house members who will chime in with tips and tricks. Now let me introduce you to Anne and Rob.
Hi guys, I'm Anne, your tech-savvy creative mind, passionate about design and AI. I'm all about showing you how to make the most of cutting-edge tools. Here at Primal AI Zone, we show you how to turn ideas into reality with the power of AI.
And I'm Rob, your AI problem solver and tech genius. With practical tips and a dash of humor, I make AI easy and fun. If you're all about transforming your workflow, we've got smart AI solutions just for you.
Give it up for Anne and Rob. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, now's the perfect time. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends and foes, if you have any. And please, hit that bell notification so you're the first to know when we drop new videos like this. Now, let's dive into the future with AI. Step 1. Image generation. We'll be using BingAI to generate our character's image. Use ChatGPT to create a unique prompt or use the one provided here. Be super detailed to get a clean and dynamic comic cartoon style character. If you have the option, switch to a creative conversation style. Otherwise, paste your prompt in the comment box and hit send. The tool will generate an amazing character in seconds. If you're not satisfied with the result, ask the tool to generate more variations. We'll provide some PNG formats in our free Telegram community so you don't have to search from scratch. Hack 1. Getting a landscape avatar from BingAI. Typically, AI tools like BingAI generate square images, but you can trick the system into getting a landscape avatar. Method 1. Use this specification. Add landscape to your prompt. Design a landscape comic-style cartoon character of a dynamic male working on his computer. This gives you a slightly squared image that's easy to edit in tools like InShot or CapCut. Method 2. Edit the aspect ratio. 1. Download the squared image from BingAI. 2. Upload it to Cloudinary. 3. Change the aspect ratio to 16:9, YouTube's standard aspect ratio. 4. Download the revised image. Now you have a YouTube-ready landscape avatar. If the image saves as an AVIF file, convert it to PNG using any online AVIF to PNG converter. I usually use this one. Upload the picture, select PNG as your conversion format, convert, and download. Another trick is to use Canva's built-in feature. Choose the YouTube thumbnail template, upload your image, and drag it into the canvas. Drag the image to fill the space, then click on Edit Photo, click Magic Expand, choose Whole Page, and click the Magic Expand button. Wait for Canva to do its magic. Canva will automatically adjust the image, giving you 4 variations to choose from. Select the one you like, tweak it, and you're done.
Step 2. Image enhancement. Now that you have your cartoon character, head over to LeonardoAI, sign up for a new account. Apply the settings as shown, paste the prompt, and click Generate. Pause the video if you have to. You can copy and use the prompt from the video description. Tweak as needed. As you can see, we already have an impressive result. But if you want an even more accurate and polished outcome, take it to the next level by using the image-to-image option. Simply upload the image you generated from BingAI, click Generate, and then sift through the options to find the perfect image that exudes a friendly and superb personality. This will give your character an extra layer of depth and visual appeal.
Step 3. Background and studio setup. Congratulations, you've learned the first step in creating a perfect-looking character for your faceless YouTube channel. While you can stick with the default background, we're going for the extraordinary. At Primal AI Zone, we strive for God-level results. Head over to LexicalAI and search Nighttime Room View, or use this epic prompt. Or try this. The options are endless. Prompts are in a Google Doc for you to copy and reuse. Once you've selected your background, remove it using Photoroom or Canva Pro. Import the new background, send it to the back of your character, adjust and download. Next, decorate your studio with Adobe Firefly. Go to Google, type Adobe Firefly and click Generative Fill. Upload your image, adjust the position, and start painting. Your imagination is your greatest limitation. Draw a laptop, write what you want, and generate. Keep decorating until satisfied. Finally, download your image, go to Canva, and remove the logo with the magic eraser or magic grabber. Easy peasy. You now have a stunning God-level background that will make your character stand out even more. Remember, this is a complete tutorial, and what is worth doing well is worth doing right. Head to Photopea and upload your image by selecting Open from Computer instead of creating a new project. Choose the lasso tool. Draw over the window areas, delete the selection, and deselect. Repeat this process to make the parts transparent. Use the Alt key to zoom in and out, ensuring all necessary parts are removed. Clean up the mouth area and save the image as a PNG file. Alternatively, use Canva and the ColorZilla extension to match your character's face color. Go to Elements, select the rectangle shape, resize it to cover the mouth area, and paste the hex code to match the skin tone. Voila! The mouth is gone, and we're good to go.
Step 4. Video background and animation. Now it's time to look for a dynamic and super catchy background. Head over to YouTube and search for the key phrase, nighttime cityscape view, or any other search term that comes to your mind. After many searches, I decided to go with this one. Now copy the link and head straight to streamable.com. Because the video is 1 hour long, it's important for us to trim and use only the part that we need. Paste the link here, trim the video, and click on Create Video. Click on the 3-dot ellipsis and click on the download link to download your video background.
Step 5. Mouth animation. The next thing we need is a talking mouth animation. I personally like this one. We've provided it for you in the description. Download this from savefrom.net like this. While you can remove the green screen from Canva, I find doing that with CapCut extremely easy and super professional. Step 6. Adding voiceover. Guys, we're not done yet. We need to add a voiceover. For this, we'll use 11 Labs. You can either use your own voice, like Zinny from the Zinny Studio, or go with the realistic voices on 11 Labs. For male voices, Adam and Josh are great choices. And for the female voice, Matilda is a good pick. Once you've chosen the voice, simply input your text. For this tutorial, we'll use this pre-created text. Now go ahead and generate the voiceover. In a future video, we'll show you how to train AI tools to mimic your voice exactly. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications to get alerted when we post that video. Step 7. Creating 3D talking avatar. With the voiceover done, let's move on to Sad Talker to create a 3D talking avatar, making our character more realistic, dynamic, and engaging. Sad Talker is an innovative online tool that creates realistic 3D talking avatars. Using advanced AI, it animates characters to talk, blink, and mimic facial expressions, making your content engaging and personable. Start by uploading a high-quality image of your cartoon character on the Sad Talker website. Then, add the voiceover you want the character to speak. Ensure the audio is clear and matches the character's vibe and energy. After uploading, you'll see several settings to adjust and enhance your character. Enable the eye blink feature for a natural touch and use the face enhancer to improve facial clarity and detail. Once you've set up and adjusted your character, hit the Generate button. The AI will process the image and voiceover to create a talking animation. This might take a few minutes, depending on the length and complexity of your voiceover. If you encounter errors due to high server demand or large file sizes, try reducing the voiceover length or retry during off-peak hours. Ensure your image is well lit and the face is clearly visible to minimize issues. After processing, you'll see a preview of your 3D talking avatar. If satisfied with the result, download the video and use it in your YouTube project. I typically go into CapCut, upload the video of the avatar, and integrate it into the background. And we're good to go. Step 8. Final integration and editing. Let's dive into CapCut PC for final editing. Start a new project and add the video background and avatar. Adjust the background position precisely. Now, upload the mouth animation next. Use cutout. Select color picker for the green screen. Adjust strength and shadow. If needed, use HSL to desaturate green to 0. Crop and position the mouth animation accurately. Take your time adjusting. And when satisfied, export by clicking the top right export button. Review your creation. It's pretty cool, right? So far so good, yeah? Today, we've shown you how to create a viral talking animated AI avatar for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram Reels without spending a dime on expensive software. We've guided you through each step, empowering you to unleash your creativity with AI magic. Before we wrap up, if you rewatch our Faceless YouTube niches video, you'll notice minor inconsistencies in the mouth movements of our AI avatars. For precise lip syncing, consider leveraging AI tools like DID, Hydra, or Synthesia for seamless results. Alternatively, conceal your character's mouth with a surgical mask and animate it using Artflow. Our next video will show you how to create a masked talking avatar entirely within CapCut, so stay tuned. For feedback or to share your creations, drop your questions in the comments below. And do well to join our Telegram channel for free resources and tips on content creation and monetizing AI. Thanks for watching. Keep creating and stay inspired.